In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Skype on Windows. So for it, just go to your Windows search option, then search for Microsoft Store, then click here on this Microsoft Store. Then once the Microsoft Store open, in the search option, search for Skype, and there you can see it is showing Skype app. Just click on it. Then you need to click on this get option. Once you click on get, it will start downloading Skype, and once the download is complete, it will automatically install it. So this will take a few seconds to install, and there you can see the installation is complete. So right now, if we just click on open, it will open Skype. There you can see. Or if you just close this, and if you just right now search for Skype in the Windows search option, it will show you Skype over here as well. So you just need to give your email address and click on next to sign up on Skype. I hope right now you are able to download and install Skype on your Windows. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.